Okay guys, today we're going to do comparing characters. Okay, we're going to do lesson 18, page 126. Okay, our two stories are the polar bear and son and Mike Mulligan and his steam shovel. Okay, Mr. Gilbert's going to read the pages from the polar bear and son and Mike Mulligan, and then we're going to go through our questions. Okay, all right. So the polar bear and son, okay, on page 28. Now the old woman was alone again. From time to time she felt very lonely and hungry. She left her hut early in the morning and went very far out on the ice. Then she called, "Kanukja, my son." She did not have to wait long before a big polar bear came running to meet her. It was Kanukja, big and strong and sleek and glossy. The old woman always looked him over very carefully, making sure that he had not been injured. Then Kanukja bought her salmon and seal. They ate some of it together, and the old woman took the rest home with her. Okay, so the old woman, what did she have to do to go see the polar bear? Was he always with her? Or did she have to walk far? We'll read page 33 and you can listen again, or 28 and you can listen again. Now the old woman was alone again. From time to time, when she felt very lonely and hungry, she left her hut early in the morning and went very far out on the ice. Then she called, "Kanukja, my son." She did not have to wait long before the polar bear came running to meet her. Okay? Think about what she had to do to go see the polar bear. Okay? And in Mike Mulligan and the steam shovel. Okay. Mike Mulligan and the steam shovel, page 39. Now the little boy who had been keeping very quiet had another good idea, he said. Why couldn't we leave Mary Ann in the cellar and build the new town hall above her? Let her be the furnace for the new town hall, and let Mike Mulligan be the janitor. Then you wouldn't have to buy a new furnace, and we could pay Mike Mulligan for digging the cellar in just one day. Why not? Said Mike Mulligan. So it was decided, and everybody was happy. Why not? Henry B. Swappin smiled in a way that was not quite so mean. Why not? Said Miss McGullumcuddy. Why not? Said the town constable. Why not? Said all the people. So they found a ladder and climbed down to the cellar to ask Mike Mulligan and Mary Ann. Why not? Said Mike Mulligan. So it was decided, and everybody was happy. Okay, so what did they ask Mike Mulligan and Mary Ann to do? Remember in our story, Mike Mulligan and Mary Ann were building a new town hall. Okay? And they asked, when they dug the hole, they asked Mary Ann to become the furnace for the new town hall. And they asked Mike Mulligan to become the janitor down there. So that means that they would be able to be close together and they're friends, okay? So let's answer our first question. How are the old woman and Mike Mulligan different? Write O for old woman, write M for Mike Mulligan, okay? Walks far to find a friend. Who walks far to find a friend? Is it the old woman or Mike Mulligan? The old woman, that's right. because she had to let her polar bear go. So she has to travel far every day on the ice to go see him. So let's put our O. Okay, and that means we put our M, good, on the other line, because Marianne is the furnace in the new town hall, and Mike Mulligan is the janitor and gets to stay close to Marianne. Okay? Our next question. How are the old woman and Mike similar? Ooh, how are they similar? Our hint is, how do the characters feel about their friends? How do the characters feel about their friends? Do they like their friends? Yes. And when you like someone, are you happy or sad? You're happy, good. So, they are happy with their friends. They're happy with their friends, okay? They like being with them, and they're happy to be around them and be with them. So they're happy with their friends. Okay, that's how they are similar. And how they're different is the old woman has to walk to her friend, and Mike gets to stay with his friend. Okay, so the old woman has to walk to see the polar bear. Mike Mulligan gets to be the janitor, and Marianne is the furnace. So he's always going to get to be around her. Okay? That was it for lesson 18 today. Good job, guys.